Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the part 3 of second lesson, matter and material. In this video, we are going to see waterproof material, transparent object, translucent object and opaque object. Come, let's see this in detail. First one is waterproof material. Waterproof material means the material that do not allow water to pass through them. It won't allow the water to go through it. Let's see an example. Take a normal cloth. Pour water on the top and wait for some seconds. What will happen? The water passes through the cloth and comes on the other side. Let's take an umbrella. Repeat the same experiment. That is, pour some water and wait for some seconds. What will happen? The water won't pass through the umbrella because it is an waterproof material, where the normal cloth is not. So, a waterproof material will not allow the water to pass through them. Because of this, we carry umbrella or raincoat in the rainy days. Next one is transparent object. The object which allows the light to pass through them are called transparent object. Take a torchlight, switch on the torchlight and show it in front of a glass filled with water. You will see the light on the other side because it passes the light through it. We can see the objects clearly through the transparent object. Example, air, glass or pure water. If you drop a coin in a glass of water, you can see the coin which is in the bottom of the glass because water is a transparent material or object. Then, translucent object. The object which allows some light to pass through them are called translucent object. So, repeat the experiment. Take a torchlight, switch it on. Now, fill the glass with vegetable oil. Show the torch in front of the glass. You will see some light only. In real life, in the month of December and January, when you see in the early morning, there is fog, which will block you see clearly. You can see only a blurred image through them. So, example for this translucent object is paper soaked in oil, snow and vegetable oil. The last one is opaque object. The opaque object do not allow any light to pass through them. So, take a torch, switch it on and place it in front of a wooden board. You will not see any light on the other side because the object does not allow light to pass through them. So, example for opaque object are wood, stone and metal. And that's all for this video. The remaining topics are in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see the previous videos and the upcoming videos. Thank you.